We recently surveyed over 500 students who were planning to pursue the CMA USA certification. And guess what? This question came up time and time again. What are the top companies hiring for US CMA professionals? It's no surprise that the demand for US CMA professionals is growing, especially in today's fast-paced business environment. And if you are one of those students or someone planning to dive into the finance world, I am sure you must be wondering, where can I apply? Which companies are looking for experts like me? Well, today, we are going to help you out. We'll be discussing the most in-demand companies that are actively hiring for US CMA professionals. Companies that not only offer attractive paychecks, but also career growth, learning, opportunities, and the chance to work in some of the most respected industries in the world. First up, let's talk about the Big Four firms. There's Deloitte, PwC, EY, and KPMG. These are globally recognized leaders in professional services, and they are hiring US CMAs like crazy. The Big Four are known for their audit, consulting, and advisory services, which is perfect for CMAs who are skilled in financial analysis, budgeting, and strategic advisory roles. If you love working in fast-paced environments with clients across various industries, this is your chance to be a part of one of the most prestigious teams. Now, let's talk about the salary. Depending on your experience and role, salaries can range from 4 to 25 lakhs INR. Freshers can start at the lower end, but with experience, you could be earning in the higher ranges. The cool part about working here is, the more you prove your expertise in financial planning, audit, and risk management, the more responsibilities you will get, and of course, better compensation. Next, let's talk about JP Morgan, one of the most well-known names in the global finance. If you have ever thought about working in investment banking or risk management, this is the place to be. JP Morgan is constantly on the lookout for US CMA professionals who can work their magic with financial analysis, model development, and strategy implementation. The company hires US CMAs for roles in finance, risk management, and even in the investment banking divisions. Now, you must be wondering why JP Morgan? Well, your role will involve creating financial models, analyzing investment opportunities, and helping manage corporate finances. You will be a part of high-impact team that drives key financial decisions with some of the world's top organizations. Now, speaking salary-wise at JP Morgan, US CMA professionals can earn anywhere between 10 to 35 lakhs INR depending upon their role and the experience level. Whether you're just starting out or have several years of experience, JP Morgan offers a competitive salary along with plenty of growth opportunities. Now let's move to something a little different. Johnson & Johnson. You might be knowing them for their healthcare products, but did you know they also hire US CMA professionals? If you have a passion for healthcare and finance, this could be your dream job. Johnson & Johnson offers roles in their accounting, finance, and supply chain management departments. If you are someone who likes to optimize costs, conduct financial analysis, and create budgets to improve the overall health of a company, J&J would love to have you on their team. What's exciting here is that you will be working for a company that's making a difference in people's lives, all while owning your skills in cost management, financial reporting, and even supply chain finance. And yes, the salary range is attractive too. You can expect to earn anywhere between 8 to 25 lakhs INR with the potential for higher earnings as you progress in your career. Now, if you are interested in working for a global IT and consulting powerhouse, then look no further than Wipro. This is one of India's top IT companies, and they are hiring US CMA professionals for roles in management accounting, financial planning, and cost management. Wipro offers an exciting environment where you will work on financial projects across industries, optimize operations, and provide strategic recommendations that help improve company-wide financial health. It's a chance to blend your financial skills with a cutting-edge IT consulting. Salaries at Wipro for USCMA professionals generally range from 6 to 25 lakhs INR. Again, it depends on your experience and role you are applying for. But if you love working in a tech-driven environment and love financial optimization, Wipro is a fantastic choice. And finally, we have Amazon, the global e-commerce and tech giant. Amazon is always looking for talented professionals, and US CMAs are no exception. If you are passionate about financial planning or operational finance, Amazon needs you. Here's the exciting part. Amazon has massive operations, which means plenty of opportunities to help optimize expenses, improve economic efficiency, and contribute to long-term financial strategies. As a US CMA professional at Amazon, you will be directly involved in making data-driven financial decisions that impact the company's day-to-day operations and long-term growth. The role is dynamic, and you get to work with some of the best minds in the business. Salary-wise at Amazon, you can expect to earn between 10 to 30 lakhs INR depending on your level of experience and the role you're applying for. Plus, the opportunities for growth are endless as Amazon continues to expand globally. So, there you have it. The top 5 companies that are hiring for US CMA professionals. From the prestigious Big Four to global powerhouses like JP Morgan, Johnson & Johnson, Wipro, and even Amazon, the opportunities for US CMA professionals are truly endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking for a career guidance in the finance world. And of course, if you have any questions or want more insight into these companies, feel free to drop a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video where we explore more career tips and tricks for US CMA professionals.